All right. Well, hey, we're here at Lighthouse Lakes. Haven't been here for about a year. Really looking forward to coming back. Last time I was here, it was Super Bowl Sunday. Today is Super Bowl Sunday, and I really did well. There's a little spot. There's a couple of cuts up here. We're gonna go try where we've done well in the past. We're also gonna go fish this little line here where these mangroves are to try and stay out of the wind. Right there where the dolphins are. I'll check out the dolphins. Well, maybe not, given that there's dolphins right there. But anyway, looks to be like a pretty nice day. Sun's out, it's pretty warm. It's windy though, so we're gonna get in the mangroves to stay out of the wind. See how we do. Oh, there we go. We got something. What did we get? Feels like a little baby red. What did we get here? Oh, we got a flounder. Sweet. Check that out. A flounder. Nice. How big's he gonna go? There's no way he's 15. Yeah, he's just a little guy. Alrighty. Oh man, dude. Whew. There you go, flounder on the fly. Another nice one. Thank you, bud. Oh, that's cool and unexpected. Okay, we're back in the mangroves down in here. Never been down in here before, and I'm hoping I don't get lost. But it's a little deeper in here than I thought it would be. We're going to look to see if we can find some tails. And then we'll come out on the back side of this somewhere and then fish that channel and some cuts. Kind of make a big circle, and we'll come back. Alright, I don't know if you can see that wake in front of us, but I think that was a red. Oh, dang it, that wind took it. Just saw a stingray. Yeah, that right there in front of us. I mean, they could be mullet, but I think it was a red. So we're gonna reload and see if we can. Dang it, that wind is taking it the wrong direction. All right. We'll go down here just a little bit further and then we'll come back. And alright. So we found this little spot here that's got this, it's paddle deep here, and then there's a little cut where it gets deeper. And then you've got these grass, oyster beds. So this looks like it would be a good spot for trout. Ooh. So we're gonna give it a shot here. I think behind us is probably going to be better. And the current is actually moving pretty fast through there. So yeah, let's put it in. So we're going against the current. Maybe the tail end of that actually might be the best. We might have to go realign here. The wind is not blowing in a way that's favorable for me to make casts where I want to. right there on that little transition line, kind of on the edge of that oyster bed, is where I think they might be hanging out. I don't get anything here, and a couple of casts. Then I'll go down kind of right there where it washes out and see if they might be hanging out down there. You can see how fast that current's moving. Oh. You have one? Yeah, we got one biting. Come on, bud, take it. Is he on? He's on. We got him. Alright. What'd we get? Well, we got a little baby trout. Alrighty. Well, cool. Now we need to get a red for the Grand Slam. That's just a baby. We're obviously looking for something bigger. Alright, well this spot right here, we usually do really, really well. I have yet to come here and not catch at least 20 trout. So we'll, hopefully we're not going to jinx this here with that statement, but you get the occasional red and sometimes get flounder here as well. Alright, I think we jinxed us. Alright, well, we're going to call it. So, fly fishing Super Bowl Sunday, pretty low scoring game here with a flounder and a trout. Not my best outing, but man, what a gorgeous day. It was absolutely beautiful. I think with the tide coming in and the water being so muddy and the current so strong, the places we were fishing, it just didn't work out. The only place I saw people catching is if they were using live shrimp. So anyway, but a beautiful, beautiful day. We're gonna call it early. We're gonna go walk on the beach and spend some time with my beautiful bride. All right, well, until next time.